Hey, have you been on TikTok lately? It's full of influencers showing off products that are exactly like yours. And when it comes to working with these influencers, the challenge isn't finding them, it's knowing which ones are going to drive sales. And that's exactly where the Simple Affiliate Shopify app comes in. You can partner with these creators who already connect with your target audience and track everything in one place. And say you're not sure what works best. All you have to do is simply run some A/B tests. Give that influencer 2 different discount codes for the same product and see which one ends up bringing in more conversion. Then you can take it a step further with flexible reward structures. You can set different commissions based on products, variants, categories, or even discount codes. As the business, you're the one who gets to decide how affiliates earn their commission. And as these campaigns continue to run, you'll see clear reports on clicks, sales, and total revenue. There's no more wondering if an influencer is actually worth the spend, you know? Simple Affiliate is making influencer marketing easy to test, measure, and scale. Install it today on the Shopify App Store and start turning your TikTok traffic into real revenue.